So today I'm slowly trying to convert my bike back to pumped oil lubrication instead of premix. So what we've done, we have a pipe from here that is disconnected, feeds into the top of the pump, which isn't here. The pump compresses it, pumps it out the bottom, and then through into there, which there should be a ball and a spring that I believe control the pressure. I've been told it should be about 5 psi being pumped into the engine. And over here is my pump, roughly assembled. So the pump is driven from the engine on this part, on this cog here, which in turn drives this one, which, as you can see, it compresses the oil there, pushes the oil there. This one keeps the pressure on there, fits into a part on the pump, and so this is the inlet here, this is the pressurized outlet, and this is the control valve. This part here goes to the rod. There's a rod from there, and when you open the throttle, it does the like so. This is against the engine, and it does that and springs back. This screw keeps it on the shaft, and this one here with the split pin, this is the one that you adjust the flow of oil into the engine. So this one here, so when you open up the throttle, I'm going to open the throttle now, you'll see this rod, this is in the way, but let's move it out of the way for you. The rod lifts, and obviously it's sprung loaded, so that will shut nice and easy, and that's what controls the oil feed into the engine. So hopefully I've got all the bits, and I'm going to put it back together now, and I'm going to have to use some RTV bonding on it, and then I will fill it with oil and maybe try kick-starting it with the throttle open without a plug in it. I don't want it to run, but I just want to make sure I get an oil pressure, or it's pumping oil out of this pump here before I run it. So yeah, that's what's happening with the Velocette. We're putting the oil pump back together. So hopefully I've got all the bits there. I think I have, and it seems to be correct. So maybe on the next video I shall have it running, completely running. So previous owner took it off, disconnected it because he had some advice saying it's better to run premix, but I'm getting told the way the engine is designed, it's designed to pump the oil through the bottom part of the engine, bearings and such like, and then the way it's made, it then sprays to the little end underneath the piston, and maybe does the rings, I don't know. So yeah, a little bit worried with this. Don't want to mess it up and destroy my engine. 90 years old, near enough. So wish me luck, and yeah, hopefully next time I'll have a pump. Some kind gentleman is sending me the rod that connects here to the pump adjuster. That's the only bit I didn't have. So yeah, some guy, Max, is sending me a rod, and that's the missing part of my jigsaw. So yeah, wish me luck. Thanks.